Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rohakimi Rosdi. Today my group member and I will present about one device that can reduce the emission problems. Actually, this PCV valve is the component that allow one-way ventilation from the crankcase into the intake manifold. So this system can maintain the pressure inside the crankcase. So in the early 1960s, the gasoline engine ventilation tube, which is they call the road draft tube, was directly went out into the environment, and during World War II, the ventilation style has been redesigned in order to use in the tank engine, so that the tank can dive into the water. But design is not so famous. In 1952, Professor A.J. Hagen-Smith from the California Institute of Technology in Pasadena find out that unburned hydrocarbon is the most significant element of the smoke. And after the further study in GM Research Laboratory by the Dr. Lloyd L. Withrow, it was revealed in 1958 that the road draft tube contribute almost half of the unburned hydrocarbon coming from the vehicle, so that the GM Cadillac division, which is the manufacturer of the most of the tank during the World War II, find that the possibility to solve this problem by using the PCV valve. So after that, the PCV valve system have become the crucial part in the IC engine. So in 1967, this component or PCV valve have been investigated and become the main subject of federal grand jury of the AMA, which is Automobile Manufacturer Association. So how the PCV valve the most important component in our internal combustion engine.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amir Ashraf. I will explain about the PCV valve operation. The PCV valve will operate in a certain condition. So the first one is when the engine is not running, so the vacuum in the intake manifold will be zero, so the PCV valve will be closed and there is no blow-by gas flow into the intake manifold. Okay, the next condition is when the engine is on idling or decelerating, so the PCV valve will slightly open and there is a small amount of blow-by gas will be going to the intake manifold. The next condition is on the normal operation. Okay, the vacuum in the intake manifold will be moderate, and then the PCV valve will be properly open, and there is a medium amount of blow-by gas will be going out. Okay, the last condition is accelerating and on a high load. So the vacuum in the intake manifold will be low, then the PCV valve will be fully open and there will be a large amount of blow-by gas will be going out into the intake manifold. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farid. So for the advantage of PCV valve is it will maintain pressure in crankcase. Second, it importance to piston ring help, because if the piston ring broken, there will be a oil leak on the PCV valve. Third, the warm air from the crankcase will be utilized into intake manifold to reach the ideal fuel mixture. For the disadvantage, engine will be unstable if the valve broken, hose does not fit and seal leaking. Second, water will mix with engine oil when rainy day because of the moist air. This will cause engine oil quality affected as well as damage the component in the engine. Lastly, if the engine oil is not properly managed or serviced, the PCV valve will become stuck. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Arif Hakim, and today I will be talking about improvement that can be made to the PCV valve system. So first and foremost, a lot of complaint has been heard about the breaking of the PCV valve outer connector. Okay, so this is due to the plastic material that was used to manufacture this connector. As we all know, engine temperature is hot, therefore plastic tends to break. So it would be better if the material of the connector is strong and rigid, such as metal. And secondly, the PCV valve system function was to allow air flow into the crankcase, hence avoiding the engine oil from going up to the manifold. However, if the PCV valve are faulty, the engine oil tends to enter the intake manifold, causing the engine to burn these oils, which also disrupt perfect combustion ratios. So improvements that can be made possibly is by applying a filter system to filter these oils from entering into the intake manifold. So I guess that is all for me. Thank you very much.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fuad bin Anwar. Okay, I will conclude about the PCV valve. Okay, so from the start, we actually know the function of the PCV valve. Okay, the construction of the PCV valve, and also we know the application or the how the PCV valve works in the engine system. Okay. From this task also we know about the advantage and disadvantage of this component. Okay, so and also the idea that can we improve, okay, for the PCV valve function or PCV valve application. Okay, so actually PCV valve is a important component, okay, in the engine system because it is it is